Dear students, in the previous class we discussed about how to distinguish between that is primary alcohols, secondary alcohols, tertiary alcohols by using the oxidation method and also by using the glucose reagent. In this class we are going to be discussing about some commercially important alcohols. That is commercially important alcohols we are going to be discussed in your syllabus, that is methanol and ethanol. Means the first we are going to be discussing about the methanol. We are going to be discussing about the methanol. In this methanol is a colorless liquid. It is a colorless liquid. It's having the boiling point of methanol is 337 Kelvin. 337 Kelvin. This is about the boiling point of the methanol. This methanol is also be called as the wood spirit. This is also be called as a wood spirit. The methanol we called as a wood spirit. There is the methanol means, you know that the molecular formula CH3OH. In the methane, one hydrogen is going to be replaced by hydroxyl group, that we call as a methanol. This also be called as a wood spirit. Why it is called as a wood spirit? Because it is prepared earlier. That is methanol is going to be prepared by destructive distillation of the wood. That is destructive distillation of wood. We are going to be preparing methanol. That's why it's called as a wood spirit. This methanol is injection of this methanol in a small quantity. Suppose it is going to be injection to methanol in a small quantity. It leads to the blindness. It leads to the blindness. Then in the large quantity means it's going to be leads to the death. Means from this we can say that the methanol is poisonous. The methanol is poisonous. In the injection of this small quantity leads to the blindness, and the injection of a higher quantity, large quantity, that is going to be leads to the even death. This about the few physical properties of the methanol. Methanol, the boiling point of the methanol is 337 Kelvin. Then it is a colorless liquid and it is poisonous in nature. Then this is about the also be called as a wood spirit. Why it is called as a wood spirit? Because of it is prepared earlier. It is prepared by the destructive distillation of the wood. Then commercially, this now we are going to be discussing about the commercially how we are going to be preparing this methanol. That is preparation. The preparation of methanol. This methanol is prepared by the catalytic hydrogenation. The catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide. In the presence of ZNO and Cr2O3, it's going to be used that methanol. It's going to be used the methanol. Means if you are going to be taken that I said that it is methanol is going to be prepared by the catalytic hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen to the carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide that is undergoes the catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation is in the presence of some catalyst. That we are going to be, the catalyst is ZnOCr2O3. Presence of this catalyst under the high pressure. High pressure means 200 to 300 atmospheric pressure and 573 to 673 Kelvin. This carbon monoxide undergoes the catalytic hydrogenation. It's going to be used the methanol. That is CH3OH. That is a commercial method of preparation of the methanol. Commercial method of preparation of the methanol. This is about the preparation. The next we are going to be discussing about the uses of this methanol. That is when it comes to that the uses of methanol. The methanol is used as a solvent. Methanol is used as a solvent for the paints and varnishes. That is paints and varnishes. For that we are going to be used as a solvent. It is used as a solvent. The first the point is used as solvent for paints and varnishes. Paints and varnishes. Then it is used in preparation of formaldehyde. Preparation of formaldehyde. It is going to be, that is methanol is used as that is in the preparation of, that is formaldehyde. Then it is also used in manufacture of drugs and dyes. These also be used in the manufacture of drugs and drugs and dyes. Then it is going to be used as a antifreeze in automobile radiators. Used as a antifreeze in automobile radiators. Means it is used as a solvent for the paint with varnishes, used in the preparation of formaldehyde, then used in the manufacture of drugs and dyes. It is used in the antifreeze in the automobile radiators, and it is also used in the preparation of denatured alcohols. Used in preparation of denatured alcohol. Means this is about the uses of this methanol. The methanol is used as a solvent and the preparation of formaldehyde, and used in the manufacture of drugs and dyes. Then it is used in the antifreeze. That is antifreeze in automobile radiators, and also it is used in the preparation of denatured alcohol. What is meant by denatured alcohol? The alcohol which is made to unfit for drinking. The alcohol which made to unfit for drinking by adding some copper sulfate for the color. To give the color, and pyridine to the bad smell. That we called as a denatured alcohol. Denatured alcohol means there is the alcohol which made unfit for drinking by adding copper sulfate to give the color, and pyridine to give the some bad smell to the alcohol. This about the methanol. Methanol means we have discussed about some physical properties on the preparation of the methanol and the uses of the methanol. This is one of the commercially important alcohol. The next we are going to be discussing about the ethanol. Now we are going to be discussing about the another commercially important alcohol, that is we call as ethanol. That is ethanol is a colorless liquid which is having the boiling point, that is 351 Kelvin. It is called as a grain alcohol. The ethanol also be called as a grain alcohol. Why it is called as a grain alcohol? Because this ethanol is prepared by using the starchy grains. That we call as why it is called as a grain alcohol. In this now we are going to be discussing about preparation of ethanol. The preparation of ethanol in the oldest, that is one of the oldest method, the preparation of ethanol by using the molasses of the sugar cane juice or some fruits of like grapes, some vegetable like beetroot, by using that also we are preparing that is the ethyl alcohol. In this the first we are going to be discussing about how to prepare the ethanol by using the molasses of the sugar cane juice. Means the molasses. What is meant by molasses? The molasses is nothing but the molasses means it is a mother liquor obtained. That is these are is going to be left over, or the mother liquor left over in the crystallization of sugar from sugarcane juice. Means the wastage part in that the preparation of the sugar, the preparation of the sugar, it is wastage part that we call as molasses. Molasses means it is a mother liquor left over in the crystallization of sugar from sugarcane juice, that we call as molasses. This, how to prepare this ethanol means this ethanol is going to be prepared that the sugar in the, that is the sugar present in the, some percentage of sugar is going to be left in the molasses. The 100% of sugar is not converted into sugar, and sugar just will not be converted into sugar. Means that is going to be left over, either 5%, 10% of sugar is going to be left in the molasses. That sugar present in the molasses, is going to be converted into, that is glucose and fructose in the presence of invertase enzyme. In the presence of invertase enzyme, that is sugar present in the molasses, that we are going to be written as C12 H22O11. That is the C12H22O11. It's going to be converted in the presence of, this is going to be done after dilution, that is H2O, in the presence of invertase enzyme. Invertase enzyme is going to be converting to, we are going to be glucose and fructose. It is glucose and fructose. These glucose or fructose is going to be converted to ethyl alcohol in the presence of zymase enzyme. We are going to be get that ethyl alcohol C2H5OH plus carbon dioxide. Means here the preparation of ethyl alcohol by using the molasses of sugarcane juice. It is the molasses of sugarcane juice. Here, this about the preparation. In this enzymase and both this enzymase and invertase is going to be given by the yeast. Is going to be provided by the yeast. This about the preparation of, that is ethanol. Preparation of ethanol is one of the oldest method of preparation of ethanol. In this, the molasses of the sugarcane juice we are going to be using for the preparation of ethanol. Molasses means it is going to be mother liquor left over the crystallization of the sugar from sugarcane juice, that we call as a molasses. The 100% of sugarcane juice not be converted into sugar. The sum of the sugar is going to be left in the as a molasses. That is going to be diluted. The sugar present in the molasses is going to be diluted by using the water, and we are going to be adding the yeast for the fermentation. That time is going to be provided invertase enzyme. That enzyme is going to be converted the glucose and fructose. This glucose or fructose is get converted into, that is ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. That is it converts enzymase enzyme. This about the preparation of the ethanol. The next we are going to be discussing about the uses. The uses, when it comes to that uses of this ethanol, this also be used as a solvent for paints and varnishes. This also be used as a, that is ethanol is used as a solvent for paints and varnishes. It also be used as a, that is alcoholic beverages, used as a alcoholic beverages, is going to be used as a alcoholic beverages, and a fuel in the spirit lamp, used as a fuel in spirit lamps, fuel in the spirit lamps. The alcohols, that is ethanol, is going to be used as solvent for the paints and varnishes, used as alcoholic beverages, and it is used as a fuel in the spirit lamps, and it is also be used as a, it is used as a fuel in the form of power alcohol. It is used as a fuel in the that is as a, in the form of power alcohol. This turned out about the uses of the, that is ethanol. Uses of the ethanol.